Is the screen clearly visible to everyone? Okay. So now we are learning today order of operations. For order of operations, there is a mnemonic called as BODMAS, where B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means add, addition, and S means subtraction, subtract. Understood? Brackets of divide, multiply, add, and subtract. Now there is a sequence in brackets as well. There are three kinds of brackets you must have seen. Right, bache? Do you people know what are they called as? The small brackets, they are called parentheses. This is the smallest one. Right? Next one are curly brackets. Write it, everyone, write it. Okay, so this is the one, the smallest one. Round brackets are called as parentheses. 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 They are the smallest ones. Then is a curly bracket. How to make a curly bracket? Like you start drawing a heart, right? You start drawing like that. Then you make a V kind of a tip there. And then you again make up the reverse of the first step that you have done. So the same way the other part of heart, then a tip, and then another. For us, when we grow up, we do it like this. Okay.
And for some reason, they look like mustaches.
Wow. Nice observation. Good. So the mustache wala bracket is known as curly bracket or braces. What are these?
These look like earrings.
Oh, good one. Danglers. Yes, danglers. Hai na? You hang it from here in your ear. Wow, they're danglers. Good.
Braces are also on our teeth, like we apply it on our teeth also sometimes.
Oh, so they must be those braces, hai na? Good, good.
Yes,
You people go good. The next one, which is also called as square bracket, they're also called as box brackets or boxes, box brackets. Parentheses, braces, and box brackets. Although they won't ever ask you in exam, what is this? But you should know this when you're learning brackets, of course. Yes, because you're learning brackets, so obviously you should know how many types of brackets are there. Now there are one more types of brackets which is known as angular brackets, but need not go that in that depth because you don't have that in maths book anywhere. Okay, so parentheses, braces, and box brackets you will be solving. And always remember these are the smallest one, the innermost ones. Then you put braces and then you put box brackets. So in the order you will draw it like this, then this, and then this. Understood? And whenever you see this order, you always first solve the smallest bracket, which is parenthesis. Then you go for your braces and then you go for the box brackets. Understood? In brackets, you try to spot the smallest one, the parenthesis one, and start solving it. Clear everyone or not? Order of operations, brackets, clearly identified?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Now, we are starting to solve this. Right, Pitashree. So this is this first part on screen that you can see it, but you are expecting to write the complete solution of it. Nobody would only give me the answers. Okay, the submission should have the complete solution. Now this is 2 times. Now you are a grown-up bacha. No, don't read it as 2 multiplied by this. This is 2 times this complete bracket. You will read as 2 times 9 times 4 minus 35 plus 27. So of course, this bracket parenthesis you will solve first. But in this parenthesis, again, order of operations need to be considered.
Ma'am, first 9 into 4.
Very good. Because in BODMAS, multiplication comes ahead of subtraction. इसलिए you will multiply this first. Veda, don't do it, beta. So this is 2 times 36 minus 35. Okay, don't replace the brackets. They are parentheses. We put the same. 36 minus 35, brackets closed, plus 25. Then the next step, I'll put this implies the sign.
Ma'am, it's plus 27.
Come again, bacha.
It's plus 27.
Yes, very good. Yes, beta, yes.
Yes.
So 36 minus 35 is 1. 1 times.
Ma'am, she's telling that 2 into you wrote at last plus 25. It's gonna be 27. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, my bad. My bad. I thought she's telling me the answer. My bad, bacha. Sorry.
29.
Okay. So this is 27. Now 2 times 36 minus 35 is 1, right? So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 27 will be 29. So your answer is 29.
Ma'am, do we need
Clear
to
or not, everyone?
Ma'am, do we need to write the question?
Come again, Veda.
Do we
Of
need
course,
to write
yes.
the question?
Why not?
Okay,
Yes, yes. Every time you'll write this. Done with the first part. Should I move ahead with the second one?
Ma'am, I
People
asked,
need-
should I write the question?
Yes, you have to. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes writing time then. Wait. Okay. So I'm moving ahead with question 2 now. Question number 2, clearly you can see parenthesis there. So that has to be solved first. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 21 plus 9 times 6. Again, this is the important one according to order of operations. So this you will solve first. So this will be 40 plus 21 plus 54. Right or not? And now when you're adding all these, you will get
115.
115 as your answer. Very good, Sejal. Good one. Quickly do it, everyone. Passing third part now. Let us see if your answers are correct. Everyone is.
Ma'am, first see my answer, please.
I'll tell you, bacha. You people only would check if your answer is correct. Wait. This is 12 plus 39 times 5 minus 3. I've solved the bracket first. Now 39 times 5 you will solve first. Right or not? So 39 times 5 would be 195. This is how we do it with the Vedic math trick. So this is 12 plus 195 minus 3. Now you add things first.
Minus 3.
Both the positive things you will add first. So 195 and 12 is what?
207.
So 207 minus 3 will be?
204.
That's the answer. Is it the same with everyone? Veda, you tell me. Is your answer 204?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Tanishka, is your answer 204?
No, ma'am.
Where did you go wrong, bacha?
Ma'am, I got answer as 252.
Where did you go wrong? Did you identify from here?
Ma'am, I went wrong in the 207 minus 3 mein main galat gayi.
Oh, that was a simple subtraction. So practice subtraction at home today, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ahana, Radhika, did you get the same answer, बच्चे?
No, ma'am.
मैम 39 into 5 में मेरा थोड़ा सा आंसर गलत हो गया.
कोई बात नहीं. Ahana, you tell me.
No, ma'am. Actually, the 12 plus 195, I accidentally did 12 plus 19.
Oh, no worries. That means you have to be cautious, है ना? People are getting the concept clear, but you have to be cautious. You are making tiny little mistakes there. Okay. Moving ahead with the next part. We are solving the fourth one now. Okay. So let me create a working area here. You want to attempt this by yourself and then we discuss?
Ma'am, I have already sent the answer in the chat box.
Okay. I will show you the next part. You take a screenshot of it and start solving. Rest everyone. Do question number 4 and we'll be discussing then. Till then, I am pause recording.
मैम मुझे 5th में थोड़ा confusion सा हो रहा है.
कोई बात नहीं. Let me discuss this fourth part first and then we'll discuss 5 as well. So fourth part ka solution we are discussing here. We have to solve the brackets first. Even if you have this multiplication ka sign here, but still you will solve the brackets first. So this is 7 times 4 plus 26 plus 29 is what?
55.
55. So 55 times 7. This is how we have solved it, right? Now this is also multiplication. This is also multiplication.
So we will do 28 plus 380.
Right. So 28 plus what is this? The 55 times
385.
55 times. Wait, Sejal, wait, beta. This is 35 and this is also 35 and middle 2 digits you add. So 385. Right. And now 28 added to this is what? 413. Right or no? 385 we got, no? Yes. So 413 is the answer. Okay, everyone. Tell me whose answer
Yes,
is incorrect here. Ahana, did you get the
Ma'am,
correct
mine is
answer?
correct. Ma'am, mine is correct.
No, ma'am.
Where did you go wrong, bacha?
Instead of 55, I wrote 65.
Oh, koi baat nahi. That means you need to watch your calculations every time you do it. Recheck it. Okay.
Ma'am, I also did wrong.
Samaira, where did you go wrong? Tanishka, where did you go wrong?
Ma'am, I wrote 385 as the answer, but I didn't add a 28. I forgot adding 28.
Okay, that means you have to slower down your speed before concluding. Okay, Samaira, you tell me, beta, where did you go wrong? Or did you get it correct?
Ma'am, I get it correct.
Very nice. Radhika, you tell me, bacha. Radhika, did you get this right?
Ma'am, I can't hear you properly.
Switch off your camera for some time. Now tell me, did you get this correct?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Is it cracking for everyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me disconnect my audio and join. Now tell me, Radhika, can you hear me properly, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me, did you get this 413?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can anytime tell me if you're going wrong. We are working on the issues, abhi beta. We are not checking your knowledge on this. Okay, so it's absolutely okay to go wrong. Next one, fifth one. Sejal, you felt stuck here.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am. I
No worries.
got the subtraction in the part.
So first of all, we'll do the addition thing here. 35 plus 6 is 41 times 7. You will multiply these two numbers first. So 41 times 7, how will you do? 4 times 7 is 28.
287.
This is
मैम मैंने
287.
गलती से प्लस की जगह मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दी.
Okay, no worries. It's perfectly okay to go wrong when you're learning. Now, what two things you'll add first? These two things. Both the positive things you'll add first. 31 is having a plus sign by default in front of it. 287 is also positive. So you'll add two positive things first. So what is 287 and 31? That is
This was only the problem.
318. And now you subtract 20 from it. Understood or not? Beta, you first of all, Ahana, listen.
Ma'am, will the answer be 276?
Abhi, wait, bacha, wait. Abhi, Ahana, we are adding things first, no? So addition comes before subtraction in BODMAS, no? So that means you will be adding them first. So you cannot add it to a negative term. You cannot solve it like this, bache. Okay. So first of all, you will add the positive terms. And positive is the term which is having either no sign or plus sign ahead of it. No sign also means it is positive. Okay. And now you add both, you get 318. And from that 318, you subtract 20. Clear or not, bache? So the answer will be 298.
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Veda, understood, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Radhika, did you get this correct, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Samaira, you tell me, bacha.
Ma'am, I got it 276. I didn't get it.
Where did you go wrong? Identify and tell me.
Ma'am, after I added 287, I added
20 to it.
yes, ma'am. So it should be
Nahi, bacha. That's incorrect. Why? Because 20, it is not 20. Actually, it is negative 20, minus 20. So you cannot include a negative term first. Okay? Clear, everyone? Tanishka, is this fact clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you people done with this correcting this?
Ma'am, I also finished with 6th question.
Oh, very good. Radhika, did you do the correction for this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good one. Now we are going to part
Ma'am, I still have
Yes.
one doubt in the 6th question.
Abhi, I'm discussing, then you tell me your doubt, okay?
No, ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, is it 9 into 1 or 9 into 10 first?
That is what I'm telling, no? Wait. Okay. So now you have 1 times 9 times 10 minus 16 plus 5. So all these are getting multiplied now. So you can multiply them in any order because multiplication is commutative. And in whatever order you do, that doesn't matter. So 1 times 9 is 9 and 9 times 10 is 90. Minus 16 plus 5. Now hold on, bache log, you cannot subtract this. Although the answer would be the same, but the correct rule is you add the positive ones first. So 90 plus 5 is 95. Now from it you subtract 16. Clear or not, bache? So the answer is 79. Yes, bacha?
Ma'am, I didn't understand. I did it like 9 into 10 minus 16 plus 5.
9 into 10.
Minus 16 plus 5.
So yes, bacha, this 9 into 1 is 9 only. So you wrote it correctly. In the next step, now you multiply 9 tens are 90.
Yeah, then I did 90 minus 16 plus 5. Is it
So
correct?
Yes, why not? That is absolutely okay.
And I'm stuck here.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Bolo Sejal bacha.
Ma'am, in addition, why can't we add 16 plus 5? Why only 90 plus 5?
Beta, this is negative. When you learn integers, no, you will get to know that negative number and positive number, they are not added like this. There is a different way of doing it. This is a negative number. Okay, so you cannot deal it with negative numbers right now. You don't know what are integers. Isliye first of all add positive ones and then subtract the 16 from it. Okay. Okay now.
Mom, can you show it once again? Okay, ma'am, thank you. Okay.
Okay. So now I am discussing 7th part. This is 10 plus 4 times 4 plus 39 minus 38. So obviously you will, in the brackets also you will multiply things first. Hai? So 10 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 39 minus 38. And now you will add these two so as to open this bracket. 10 plus 16 times 16 plus 39 is what? 55. So 55 minus 38. And now these two positive terms you're going to solve. This will be 65 minus 38. And now you subtract from this. Is it 27? 65 minus 38. Yes, that's 27.
Yes, ma'am.
Is your answer the same, everyone? Ahana, Radhika?
Yes, ma'am.
Radhika, what happened? Are you tired today?
No, ma'am.
What happened to your energy today?
Ma'am, अभी swimming करके आई हूँ.
You're looking very slow. Pace up, bacha, pace up. Okay. If you've just now come from swimming, ask mama for some milk, hot milk. Okay, should I move on?
Ma'am, I have doubt in 11th question.
Oh, running too ahead of me.
Ma'am,
Did you
can
get
we
all those
attempt it
answers
first
correct?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
this is the
7th
last
part.
part that I'm discussing. This is the last part I'm discussing, and then you will complete the worksheet on your own, and we'll discuss it at the end then. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll be solving the brackets first. 25 plus 10 is 35, and rest of the signs I'll write like that only. And now in the next step, I'll multiply things first. So 28 plus 39 minus 35. Now I'll add the two positive things first. So that is 67 minus 35. Right or not? So 32 is the answer. Is it the same with everyone? Tanishka, you tell me if your answer the same. Tanishka, can you hear me? Tanishka, beta, can you hear me? Must be some glitch on her side. Okay, so what we are doing right now is I am pause recording from here. You complete these 16 questions and then we'll be discussing and then we'll be doing a little advanced of this. Maybe today or maybe in the next class we'll do. But questions of similar type you'll get as your homework also. Okay? Answers. So these are the answers.
You can discuss question number 16.
These are the answers in front of you. 16th part we haven't discussed. No need to discuss that even. Do it by yourself, everyone.